Hello friends, this is Dr. Ashish Taneja. I'm here to introduce a new series in Conceptual Orthopedics. Like you know, all great buildings are laid on a very strong foundation. Similarly, to lay the foundation of your illustrious career, we need to work on the foundation, and the foundation are the basics. So, I'm here to propose a series in which we focus on the basics. I've chosen the topic as knee for this month, and we'll cover all the basics, right from the anatomy, radiology, trauma, sports injuries, and arthroplasty. I will cover all the basics, whichever are useful in your general practice, day-to-day surgical work, and in theory as well. My intention is to cover all the basics in a way that you should be able to understand all the knee pathologies and the treatment strategies in a very clear and crisp way. I hope with this series we are able to impart the knowledge and strengthen the basics of knee, and I hope this will be useful in your day-to-day practice and your exams as well. I look forward to all of you attending this series every Monday 8 p.m. We start with radiology and anatomy. The next in the series will be trauma, followed by sports injuries, and in the end arthroplasty. So I hope to see you all in this new series. Thank you very much.